Welcome. If you're preparing for the Diploma in Translation exam, our online demo is a valuable resource. In this video, we will guide you through some features and tools that you will have access to when using the online assessment platform. To demonstrate these, we will use the online demo which is available on our website listed under Qualifications DipTrans. For this video, we have chosen DipTrans Unit 2 Demo Test. However, please rest assured that the same features and tools are also available for the other units. Let's get started. Read the information that appears on the screen. In the top right area, click Next. The new window will display important instructions. In the top right area, click Start. As you can see, the screen is divided into two. In the area to the left of the screen, there is a list of the three semi-specialized options available, A, B, C, with additional instructions. The area to the right is where you are required to type your translation. Move your cursor to the top right of your screen and click on Select Section. Then move your cursor to the left side of your screen and click on the semi-specialized option you wish to select for translation. Then click on Select Section again, to the right of the screen. Next, open the exam paper by clicking on the blue button positioned above the three small black squares, to the left of the screen. If you wish to change your selection, close the PDF, move your cursor to the right of your screen, and click on Change Selection. Then move your cursor back to the left and change the semi-specialized option you wish to translate. Then move your cursor to the right of your screen and click on Select Section to confirm your selection. Open the exam paper. Position the paper by dragging to the left, for convenience. Paper size can be adjusted by either using corner dragging or by adjusting the plus and minus PDF controls positioned above the exam paper. Scroll down using the bar on the right of the exam paper or select page squares for multi-page documents. Adjust the writing area on the right where you will write your translation. Begin typing. If translating from English, adjust keyboard settings on your PC or laptop. If you do not know how to do this, please refer to the troubleshooting guide or search on the internet, as settings can vary depending on your laptop. Failure to adjust the keyboard will result in the text being displayed in red. Disable Grammarly and any other spelling applications. Explore functionality of additional tools by hovering the cursor over icons. Scissors icon, to cut text or content. Copy icon, to copy text or content. Clipboard icon, to paste previously cut or copied content. Undo arrow icon. This tool allows you to reverse the previous action. Redo arrow icon. If you've undone an action but now want to bring it back. Formats icon. This tool provides access to various text formatting options such as headings, font style, and paragraph formatting. Bold icon. Clicking on this icon makes the selected text bold. Italic icon. Clicking on this icon italicizes the selected text. Underline icon. Underlines the selected text. Text color palette icon. Allows you to change the color of the selected text. Background color icon. Let you change the background color behind the selected text. Clear formatting. Removes all formatting, such as bold, italic, underline, color, etc., from the selected text, restoring it to its default appearance. Align left, align center, align right, justify. These icons control the alignment of text within a paragraph. Left to right, right to left. These icons control the direction of text, useful for languages that are written from right to left. Bullet list icon and number list icon. These tools allow you to create bulleted or numbered lists, respectively. Decreased indent icon and increased indent icon. These icons control the indentation level of text or list items, either decreasing or increasing the space between the text and the margin. Table icon. Clicking on this icon allows you to insert a table into your document. Special character, omega icon. This tool provides access to a library of special characters that may not be readily available on the keyboard, such as symbols or accented letters. Use the reading ruler at the bottom to guide your translation. Take notes using the notepad. You can drag your notepad and adjust the position to your convenience. Notes will not appear in your translation unless copied into the translation area. Only when your translation task is completed and ready to be submitted for marking, click on the black Finish button in the top right corner of the screen. This demonstration provides a glimpse into our online assessment platform's functionality. Remember, for thorough preparation, it's essential to access and practice with the online demo test available on our website. Additionally, ensure to refer to your candidate guide and troubleshooting guide for further information and support. Best of luck with your exam preparation.